Hi everyone, it's Mike with Living Wisconsin. Thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be adding some T-track to the workbench behind me. It's going to provide some stop capabilities for cutting multiple pieces on the miter saw, and it's going to give me some hold down and clamping power for my assembly projects on the bench itself. So what do I have? I have some Rockler T-track. Excited about this. I've seen a lot of videos out there and they have been fantastic. I'm looking forward to trying it. Let's get to it. This Rockler T-track is dimensioned at 3/4 inch wide. We'll be using a 3/4 inch straight router bit, and it goes 3/8 inch deep, so we will be taking multiple passes, go nice and steady, and provide a nice groove for this track to lay in. You will want to start by setting up your straight edge, pick your location of the T-track, and clamp that edge down. For your final pass, how you want to set this depth is lay your track right on your router, adjust it so that the blade goes just a fraction deeper than what this track really is. That'll ensure that the track sits down into that groove a little bit and none of your work pieces will get hung up on the track. Well, there's our groove. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to take our T-track, we're going to see if it fits. Just press it in there. It should fit real nice. Put it in there, take your rubber mallet, just give it a tap. And it looks good. Tap in the last of your T-track. Then we're going to drill some holes. Okay, two things to mention before we drill those holes. The screws that we're going to use. You want full threads on your screws. You want as much holding power as you can get on this T-track. Now, as also with the screws, I'm using a number 6. It's recommended by Rockler. Definitely use those. You can use a size bigger, like a number 8. But be aware that if you do use that, the head's going to stick up out of the track just a little bit. It's not going to seat down. They have a chamfered hole for this head to fit real nice down into. It's going to stick up. It's going to catch on your carriage bolt, your T-bolt, whatever you're using for your hold-down bolt. So again, number 6 screws. Now as far as depth goes, go all the way through the bench as far as you can. Again, as much holding power as you can get, the better. I'm just going to take a Phillips and just give them a little final snug up, and that'll be it. As you can see behind me, I finished off the other side of the workbench with the T-track. Now we're going to talk accessories. I have some clamps ordered from Rockler. The description will be below in the description box. In the meantime, we're going to make some stop blocks. Let's get to it. Now that our glue is set up for 24 hours, we can do the final assembly. Put our T-bolt in, accompanied by our washer, topped off with our star knob. And then we'll thread that into our track. There we go. Well, that'll do it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you find it useful. And hey, if you've liked it, hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel. We're still looking for 1,000 subscribers and I'd love for you to be a part of it. See you next time.